Hey guys, it's Reese from Reese's Adventures. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mini rain catcher. It's super cheap, you don't really need anything. And this is how I would make it. So first, you need an empty plastic water bottle, a thumbtack, and something to cut it with. So what we're going to do first, we're going to take the water bottle. Wait. We're going to take this. Sorry, it's a little hard to record like this. Then after this, we're going to make a hole, like a little mini hole in the top. Make it so it's all around here. So you make a clean cut. Well, it's not going to be that clean. Not that of a clean cut. If you don't know how to, like a water bottle kind of thing, then ask your parents to help or something. Because it could be really helpful. Because that's like for beginners. So you always gotta be careful with the pocket knife. Oh. Let me just get this open real quick. My pocket knife is not sharp. Let's use it on the sharp side. So wait, guys, until sorry. Also, guys, I'm sorry if you can hear my dogs in the background. They're a little noisy today because they're always fools. All right, guys. So now, once you get the water bottle in this part, you want to take this and put it in like that. But first, before you do that, take the cap of the water bottle with the thumbtack I mentioned. Make holes in it. Also, if you can use parents or guardians' help. To help you with it, because you're gonna make quite a lot of holes in this. So yeah, this is kind of like what I said, a filter. So if water falls out from the like the rain and it falls into it, like from a maybe a dirty platform, let's just say that, then the dirt would stay on top of it, and then you would have to pour it and rinse it out. Rinse down with the cap should look like this kind of. Put it on this, and then put it on top. This is another survival tip for when you're out in the wilderness. This could really help you, because this could help you in maybe in a life or death situation while you're stuck in the woods for a million days or something. So after that, should look something like this. Just looks something like that. You could cap it upside down. Now, to prove that it works, I need to go get some water. Let's just say this. I'm gonna go get a cotton ball. I'm gonna soak it with water. Say there's dirt and stuff in the cotton ball. Just say that, okay? Now, wait for a second, guys. Then after that, the rain would fall right into this. And then get some more water in this. You guys can see it. It will start dripping down. do it straight like that. It's like saying like it's raining kind of thing. It will go through a filter system. It'll pour through that, and it will go to the main capacity. So after that, once you got enough water in there, I'll take this, just take that out, and then boom, just drink it. I'm drinking this because this is sink water, and I don't drink sink water. I just drink tap water, something like that. And that, guys, is how you make a rain catcher in just 5 or more minutes. Bye, guys.